camera. Ooh. Oh, there you go. There you go. Look at it, Mommy.
I'm looking. I want to see if he's going to provoke someone.
I think he's just trying to get back to them. I think he likes this group up here. Someone is being loud out there. Oh, so cute. I hear you.
Listening if they go to Alaska.
Yeah, they migrate. Alright, I guess I'm done.